नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट जनाब रिहान वसीम साहब एंड जनाब ज़की साहब सिगरेट वाले कि वो स्टेज पर आएँ, क्लास 7th के बच्चों का हौसला अफजाई करें, उन्हें फैसिलिटेट करें। जनाब रिहान वसीम साहब एंड जनाब ज़की साहब सिगरेट वाले, और साथ में क्लास 8th के बच्चे बोथ गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज़ प्लीज़ बैक स्टेज रिपोर्ट करें। दिस इज़ फॉर क्लास 7 बॉयज़, सॉरी दिस इज़ क्लास 7 गर्ल्स, वी विल स्टार्ट विद गर्ल्स। बिस्मा हारून, डॉटर ऑफ जनाब आदिल हारून रानीखेत वाले एंड मुनीज़ा, Delhi Public School, R.K. Puram, 73%. Please clap for Bisma. And Bisma wants to choose teaching as a profession. Ilma Sami, daughter of Janab Salman Saeed and Binza Yusuf, 73%. Frank Anthony School. तालियों में थोड़ी सी कमी लग रही है मुझे, प्लीज़ एक बार ज़ोरदार तालियां सब बच्चों के लिए। Zainab Adil, daughter of Janab Ahmad Adil and Anam, Convent of Jesus in Mary, 73%. Imana Jannat, daughter of Janab Monis Mehtab Chamde Wale and Haya Monis, 76%, Convent of Jesus and Mary. Beenish Zishan, daughter of Janab Muhammad Zishan and Bushra, 74%, Rabia Girls Public School. Inaya Tabriz, daughter of Janab Tabriz Gulfam and Nida Tabriz, 81%, Queen's Mary School. This is the 80s club. And Inaya ne likha hai that she wants to become a good Muslima. That's a very good thought, mashallah. Muntaha Azim, daughter of Janab Muhammad Fazul Azim and Sundus, 85%, Queen's Mary School. Madiha Iqbal, daughter of Janab Junaid Iqbal and Saima, 87%, Rabia Girls Public School. Aisha Iqbal, daughter of Janab Iqbal Ahmad Sootwale and Tabassum, SVN Public School, 81%. Zahra Rehan, daughter of Janab Rehan Naseem Sahab and Maryam Rehan, 87%, St. Thomas Secondary School. And now we enter the 90s club. Inaya Javed, daughter of Janab Javed Khurram Kushtiwale and Nida Javed, 90%, Queen's Mary School. Huge round of applause for Inaya. Musfira Athar, daughter of Janab Athar Nawab Teen Wale and Huma Athar, 90%, Queen's Mary School. Sumaya Masood, daughter of Janab Masood Ahmad Batla and Samar, 90%, Rabia Girls Public School. Mubashira Latif, daughter of Janab Muhammad Mujahid Batti Wale and Mehek Haroon, 91%, Queen's Mary School. I think Mubashira is absent. Mubashira Latif. Onward to Alima Rehan, daughter of Janab Aman Noor and Zainab Chabra, 92.4%, St. Anthony Senior Secondary School. Huge round of applause for Alima. And Alima was a topper for class 6 last year as well. Huge round of applause. Rushda Riazuddin, daughter of Janab Muhammad Riazuddin Kapde Wale and Rabia Basri, 92.8%, Islamic Model School. क्लास 7 की सभी गर्ल्स के लिए एक बार ज़ोरदार तालियां प्लीज़। इस बार 90s का कोहॉर्ट माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छा था। मैं जनाब रिहान साहब का और जनाब ज़की साहब का शुक्रिया करूँगा कि आप लोगों ने बच्चों की हौसला अफजाई करी। Requesting Janab Faisal Anwar Sahab and Janab Nawab Abdul Ilahi Sahab to please come to stage. Janab Faisal Anwar Sahab and Janab Nawab Abdul Ilahi Sahab. Onward to boys in class 7th. Also class 8th and class 9th ke boys and girls, please report backstage so that we can move on with the program as per timing. Janab Faisal and Janab Nawab Abdul Sahab. Moving on to boys in class 7th. Afzal, son of Muhammad Haider Ali and Afsana Begum, 55%, Sherjang Madrasa. Afzal के लिए एक बार तालियां प्लीज। शेरजंग मदरसा के लिए भी। मोहम्मद एहतिशाम son of Janab Muhammad Ali and Mumtaz Begum, 60%, Sherjang Madrasa again. Uzair Haroon, son of Janab Muhammad Haroon Panwale and Hina Kausar, 73%, Manar Huda Creative School. Arham Ayaz, son of Janab Muhammad Ayaz Passport Wale and Tahura Ayaz, 77%, Crescent School. And Arham is also a Hafiz and wants to become a businessman when he grows up. Azan Wahab, son of Janab Uwais Calcutta Wale and Nida, 77.5%, St. Xavier School. Muhammad Maz, son of Janab Muhammad Wasim Makki and Sumaira, 83%, Crescent School. Muhammad Isa Batla, son of Janab Shafiqur Rahman Topi Wale and Hina, 83%, Delhi Public School, Mathura Road. Muhammad Isa Batla, I believe Isa is here. Muhammad Rayyan, son of Janab Muhammad Rizwan Javed Mithai Wale and Romana Khatun, 89%, Crescent School. Rayyan is the topper for class 7 boys. Huge round of applause. Rayyan is also a Hafiz and wants to become a businessman when he grows up. Janab Faisal Anwar Sahab and Janab Nawab Abdul Ilahi Sahab, thank you so much for coming to stage.